Hello, this is a video tour of 2607 B Sutter. This is the exterior of the building. We're located really close to Trader Joe's, Target, and many conveniences. Okay, so let's enter the building here. This is a single-family home. You enter through a secured gate. Here we are in the unit. You have hardwood floors throughout. This is the living room. Lots of natural light. This room faces south. It is located in a very quiet location. Here is the first bedroom. You have access from the living room as well as the hallway. You have electric heating in each of the rooms. Comes with this shoe shelf. You have a nice sized closet here. You have built-in shelving. To the right here is a second bedroom. This is a smaller bedroom that would make a perfect office. It does have a closet. Let's take a look in here. Full bathroom. There is a bathtub and shower combination. Good sized shower head, big medicine cabinet. And here's the kitchen. Dishwasher, gas range. There's your microwave and refrigerator. Through these doors you have a deck and yard and private laundry machines. One car garage also does come with this unit. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and for more information, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.